Hi guys! So ready na ako. Hinintay ko na lang si Dan. Medyo basa tingnan yung mukha ko kasi nag-spray ako ng ng Fix Plus, yung MAC Fix Plus. Suot ko na naman yung brows ko, ang dark tingnan. Suot ko na naman yung kapareho actually siya. Kapareho siya nung sinuot ko ng Wednesday, Thursday, yung kinita ko si Poops. Yung blue lang na version yung suot ko ngayon. So I got two. Yung isa ibibigay ko sa kapatid ko, tapos yung isa I'm gonna keep for myself. Pero gagamitin ko muna silang dalawa, ha? Okay lang naman yan. Sharing is loving. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Some of you guys have been asking kung saan ko siya nabili, kung online ba or ano. Nabili ko siya sa NK Fashion doon sa Rundle Mall dito sa Australia. So this one looks black but it's actually like a really, really dark blue. Ang gulo ng ano ko guys. Mga pasalubong kasi yan. Mawawala na yan dyan kapag ano na ako. Kapag nakapack na ako. And yan, mga stuff na kailangan ko i-feature sa video. And yeah, wala pa akong time na mag-sit down video. So, wala pa muna. But yeah, on my lips, shout out to Nice from All Stuff Nice. She gave me the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Mega Last Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade 925B Give Me Mocha. Yan yung liquid lipstick ko. But underneath that, I have the Soft Touch Auto Lip Liner from Etude House. This one is, I'm not sure kung anong shade niya. Number 3. Basta yung brown, guys. It looks like peachy on camera. Hindi naman siya peachy. It's like really brown. There. See? Brown siya. Yan. Hintayin ko lang si Dan. Tapos na ako actually. Hugasan ko muna yung kamay ko kasi parang merong mga puti-puti sa paggawa ng babae. Ayusin ko yun. I'll wash that. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita yung shimmer ng aking shoulders. Pero I use the Milky Dress. Nag-upload yung ko guys. Instagram story ko. Uploading siya. So, ang ingay-ingay niya. Hindi siya tumatahimik hanggang hindi siya na-upload. Anyway, meron akong drop sa mata ko kaya para akong umiiyak. Anyway, I use the Milky Dress, the White Brilliant Body. Ito yung may pa-shimmer, guys. I'm not sure if you can see. Kita ba na may pa-shimmer? Wala naman eh. Pero kapag naano ka na sun, meron siya pa-shimmer. Maganda siya kapag mga off-shoulder. Hello guys, it's sunny na madilim na I don't understand. But we're matching again. Di namin to inano. Di namin siya. Yeah, we're matching, babe.
Did you have the iron?
We didn't. I did. Did you iron your shirt?
Yeah, after that. Before you.
Before me.
Last time you left the iron on.
Yeah, I always forget the iron. No, I turned it off. I promise. Ooh, there. Matching kami, guys. See? Couple goals. Couple goals? Babe? Grumpy goal. Yeah, the grumpy old man goal. Guys, malapit na kami. Parang nalungkot. Sabi ko kay Dan, tinanong niya ako, like, anong oras tayo gusto mo umalis? Sabi ko, ayoko nang tayo na naman yung pinakauna kasi lagi kaming nauna. Sabi niya, sige, magpapalate tayo. Eh, ano na? Feeling ko, ang aga pa rin namin. It's 6:30 and nandun na siya. Oh, magpapark na kami. Kami na talaga. 6:30 kasi yung usapan. Is that them? Dito na kami. Haloy, may pinaglalaban yung eyebrows ko doon. Kapal yung eyebrows ko. Nandun si baby.
I'm sorry, Tony. Your wife is so
Maraming tao.
demanding.
Picture sila si Tony. Ay! Included ako? Alright, picture.
Wait lang.
Really?
Kasi kaya ako si Pit Senyor.
Pit Senyor.
Kasi kailangan malaman na birthday ko, kaya may pinaglalaban.
Buyag taon sa mga glitters.
Hindi ka ma.
Nag-get ready with me ka?
Yes, guys. And
Totoo?
Thank you, guys. In the my get ready.
Ikaw nag-makeup,
Nag-get ready with me nga.
Ikaw nga nag-makeup, Dai? Wait.
Yeah, close up.
Do you want me to make a beauty video? Or
Lagi na si Dai?
Awa. Ano nangyari? Si Mark?
Husband ko.
Kinakahiya ko. Kinakahiya ka ng asawa mo. Si Lyra, ang sexy. Tingnan mo nga naman ito. Oo, tumayo, besh. OOTD. OOTN. Naka-heels. Tingnan natin. Oh, naka-heels.
Dahil pagbalik.
Kasama, luwi yung tsaka lagi. Bakit ang tingnan ng buhok ko?
Got a girlfriend and they divorced.
Oo nga, no? Sama ko si Lyra. May shout out tayo.
Ano lang? Hindi, ano nga, sino nga? Nakalimutan ko dahil. Hi, Isa. On guys.
Isa, hi! Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Sino may hi?
I'm so funny.
Tapos ano yung namin? Mary, Isa. Ano na ba? Jana Rose Stephen, hello.
Hi! Johnny
Sal
Rose.
Marian, hello.
Eden, she's
Couldn't become really well entertained.
Eden Cheese?
Instagram.
Eden Cheese?
Si Marian. Hi, guys.
Run out of money and
Hi, guys. Yung mga nagsasabi pala mag-vlog ako. Hindi, araw-arawin ko na lang yung guesting ko.
Oh, may guesting sa tatlo eh. Tingnan niyo itong mga camera. Oh. Isa, dalawa. Si Ann, wala pa dito. Ano yung anak mo dahil. Help, mami! Ako, hindi ko na talaga nakalimutan. Nag-reminder ako, tapos nilagay ko yung shirt ni Nila.
Kasi hindi ko pa nasa car.
Guys, binigyan naman ako ng mamahaling wallet nitong aking
and then
bestie.
there's another one that's in
Thank you, Dai.
right here.
Gusto ng wallet ko. Birthday ka Christmas.
Birthday.
Ay! Wala ako
cry.
Christmas.
Don't cry.
Wala ako dito, Dai. Sensya ka na. Next Christmas. Gagamitin ko na, Dai. Susan naman, uy. Na-mention ko sa vlog ko na. Naghanap ako ng wallet.
And that's the process.
Nagtingin-tingin ako actually dahil sa micro-course of the
Stay
next
together.
week. So, wala
People
na
do it
to.
for their kids.
Iba na.
Not a relatively.
Maganda to kasi malaki, pero hindi like sobrang laki.
Hindi, at least yan for matagalan mo na siya magagamit.
Mga EQ. EQ, Dai.
It's not just cute, it's expensive.
I know! Sabi ko nga sa kanya ba yan? Sabi niya, birthday gift. Oy, birthday gift to, hawag kayong ganyan. Sabi na naman,
Ay, si ano, si Ray, humingi.
ito si Reyes, hindi bumibili, humihingi lang. Tingnan nyo guys, hindi naman namin ina-expect na pang ano naman to, uy, pang lunch. Dinner naman yan, may rice. Crispy beef na may rice. Entree lang to. Perfect. Hindi namin alam na may rice nung nalaman namin. Talon-talon si birthday girl. Saan? Nakakaloka. Ang sarap.
Number on the card?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just show me which card it's on. There we go. Thank you.
Social yung ano ko, magician na.
There's the number on this card.
Yan.
The number on this card. The number on this card. The number on this card. The number on this card.
Ano ginagawa niya, Day?
Marty gets the card.
Pick the number 21.
2 chicken nuggets.
23.
Where was the other one?
I fail yung magician ko.
Guys, he's a pilot, guys. Hindi naman siya. Guys, hindi siya magician. Pilot yan. Huwag kayo. Happy birthday, lovely. Tuturong happy birthday, lovely. Skull daw, sabi ni Dan. Diretso, inumin. Lahat. Ay, di wow. Kasi meron pa naman, ano,
Guys, binigyan ako ng placement, birthday drink.
Most friends must be like a
food, pork spare ribs. Sarap.
Now they did fly
Wala siyang buto.
in an advisory.
Ayaw niya ng buto eh. Same, pork. Busy si Tony at saka si Dan.
The Russians.
Like parang lasing lang de kahit hindi pa nakain.
Oh, yeah. Maybe where's my camera?
Ay, di akin yan. Cheers tayo dahil kasi thumbnail natin.
Bus na, okay, mag-cook na lang. Ayun ang boss mo, Day.
Cheers tayo.
Cheers to 0 subscribers.
Uy, may 100 naman ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bakit? Parating. It's fine.
I'm trying not to smile too much.
Thank you, Day.
Iwanin mo camera. Hindi ko alam daw. Wala to. Alam sa plastic.
Boyan, wala.
Hindi na sa baba pa. Cheers. Pero makita yun. Cheers.
Walang laman?
Walang laman yung Ay!
Ayoko nito.
Assume na lang, Day.
Cheers, Day.
Actually, talking about Malaysia, we flew Garuda once, Laura and I. Yeah, is that right? Okay.
Cheers lang.
Obviously, we did. Yeah, and the service was fantastic. Yeah.
Listing niya ako.
So, yeah.
Sorry guys.
Indonesian
Hindi siya nagalit.
Garuda are a lot worse than Malaysia.
Amoy na alak.
They really have some solutions.
What's
Lagi na lang nakapatay yung camera.
the level seem well?
Singapore, I think.
Yeah, mercy dessert. Sarap? Sarap, Day. Sarap? Try mo lang yun. Sarap. Oo nga, iba talaga. Parang prolong na. Ewan mo eh. Sarap.
Mahalay kasi yung sa'yo.
Mahalay. Sarap naman yan.
So it didn't get contaminated or spilled.
Oh, that looks good.
It's 20 sachets of powder, basically.
Yay. Ganda, Day.
Parang ay, magaling ako kay kuya mo. Ay,
Para talaga. Ala.
joke lang, joke.
Galing yan sa mama niya, mother-in-law niya. May ilaw-ilaw.
Siya, inabuksan ko sa'yo. Dollars.
So, Joy? Alam mo na? Alam mo na?
Kasi nagparinig ako. Oo. Gusto niya na ako magpakampulo. Wala pa silang plano magaling.
Yan yung nagustuhan mo, Day.
Kasi alam niyo guys, ay talaga naman, pag mga may friend kayo talaga, nagpapatinig kayo. Ay, Jamie, sana sinabi ko yung isa pa.
So,
Hindi niya kasi sabi ko mabango. Sana yung dalawa kayo sinabi ko. Sa akin, guys, yung kay Cathy at saka yung kay Lyra, iniwan niya.
listen.
Guys, pero yung kay Cathy, like, online delivery. I love you, Lyra. I love you, bestie.
Hindi, uy. Kinakalmot niya yung buhok ng kamay dan. Ang cute nitong batang to, grabe. Wala na sila guys, kami na lang yung natira. Pakanta-kanta pa si Mark, oh. Tingnan niyo yung damage namin dito. Hala. Hala. Tapos yung table na yun, kasali pa. Uwi na tayo. We going home? Like, enjoy that! Oh yeah. Guys, pauwi na kami. Dumaan lang kami dito sa St. Peter's na suburb. Kasi meron din silang mga Christmas lights dito, guys. Parang siyang Lobatal, pero parang konti lang sila.
Let's say thank you for lovely from
Oh yeah. Love, thank you so much.
Thank you, love, for dinner and inviting us to your birthday.
Yeah,
It was
sobrang
great.
thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Dai.
21st birthday, lovely.
Thank you, Dai.
Thank you, Di.
Thank you, Dai.
Thank you, Di.
Should we walk around?
Yeah,
You wanna walk?
we can do that.
Yeah, park somewhere.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a really nice house as well.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice.
That's a
Yeah.
beautiful house. Look at the windows and magnificent house. Nice.
Magnificent house, man.
Magnificent.
Oh, nice. Oh, lang ganda. Meron si ano doon, snowman.
Look at the roof.
Wow,
They
I
got something on the roof
know. Wow. Oh, that house is full of lights.
there. Yeah, on the roof.
Oh, that's cool.
He's got better lights than they did at bloody Loberfall.
I know, right?
Yeah. Loberfall, you're dead to us now.
It was so far as well. Bloody far. Watch out for the car, babe.
Sorry, I'm a bit wrong.
See, ang ganda! Nakakatuwa lang kasi parang hindi mo na-expect na yung mga tao dito gagawa ng mga ganito, diba? Diba? Kasi para sa akin yung Pilipinas the best talaga when it comes to like Pasko, mga lights, ganun-ganun. Pero meron palang mga tao na ganito din dito. Actually, some of them guys, sinusuportaan sila ng council. So parang yung barangay nila, sinusuportaan sila when it comes to stuff like that. So parang nakakatanggap sila ng siguro konting rebate, something. I'm not sure. Kasi, itong street lang na to, yung ibang street naman, wala na. So, parang, para din ma-encourage sila na mag-ano ng mga lights. So, meron talaga to every year. Bahay na kami, guys. Naliligo na si Dan. Yeah, i-close ko na tong vlog, guys. Mga Inday, thank you! Sobrang thank you, love, sa pag-invite. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.